In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively integrate and utilize Google Analytics with your Mailchimp account to track your email campaign performance. Tracking your email campaigns can provide significant insights that help improve your marketing strategy, and today we'll walk through each step to make sure you get this set up correctly. First things first, you'll want to log into both your Mailchimp and Google Analytics accounts. If you haven't already, ensure you have the latest versions of these applications. Having both accounts up and running will facilitate a seamless integration process. Once you're in your Mailchimp account, look towards the left-hand menu. You're going to navigate to the section labeled Integrations. Click on that, and it will take you to a page listing various applications that Mailchimp can connect with. Here, you'll find the option for Google Analytics. Go ahead and select that option. Now let's connect your Google Analytics account. You'll need to authorize access to allow Mailchimp and Google Analytics to work together. Typically, this involves agreeing to a few permissions, so click through the authorization prompts. This step is crucial because it sets up the necessary communication between the two platforms, enabling data flow and sharing. Next, we'll need to enable Google Analytics tracking for your Mailchimp campaigns. This setting can be found within the campaign settings. As you prepare an email campaign in Mailchimp, look for the option to turn on Google Analytics tracking. It's usually a simple toggle or checkbox. By enabling this, you're allowing Google Analytics to monitor the performance of your emails, providing valuable insights into how they're doing once they're sent out. To dig deeper into your data tracking, you should use UTM parameters. These are tags added to the end of your URL, allowing you to track specific data about your campaign's performance. Mailchimp often offers fields for you to input UTM parameters directly as you set up your campaigns. These parameters help you pinpoint which email or campaign brought traffic, conversions, or interactions, giving you clear visibility into your marketing effectiveness. Now that everything is set, head over to your Google Analytics account to analyze the data. Navigate to the Acquisition tab in the menu on the left side of the interface. Once there, select Campaigns. Within this section, you'll be able to see your Mailchimp campaign data alongside other tracked campaigns. Here you can examine the metrics provided, such as bounce rates, page views, and conversion rates. This breakdown is invaluable for understanding how your audience interacts with your emails, what's working, and what might need improvement. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure that your Mailchimp campaigns are effectively tracked within Google Analytics.